Okay, again I reply, what is parabola? This is the fixed point. This is the locus or moving point. This is the fixed straight line. We have already discussed the previous classes. That is lecture 1. Pxy is a moving point, that is the locus of a point. S is the fixed point, which is known as focus. We have already discussed in the previous class. That is lecture 1. Therefore, let us now give the definition of parabola. In this case, if the distance from the locus to fixed point and locus to fixed straight line are equidistant, that is equal, in this case it will be parabola. That is, if SP divided by PM equal to E, that is if E equal to 1, then SP divided by PM equal to 1, therefore SP equal to PM. This is the definition of parabola. This is the definition of the parabola. Let us now give them axis. What is axis? What is axis? What is axis? Now write down everybody. What is axis? The straight line passes through the focus. The straight line passes through the focus. The straight line passes through the focus and perpendicular and perpendicular to the directrix, and perpendicular to the directrix is called the axis of the parabola. Is called the axis of the parabola. Again I reply, the straight line passes through the focus. This is the focus. This is the straight line passes through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix. This is perpendicular to the directrix. Perpendicular to the directrix is called the axis of the parabola. This is the straight line passes through the focus or fixed point, and also this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular to the directrix. Is known as axis of the parabola. Again I reply, what is axis? The straight line passes through the focus, and which is perpendicular to the directrix. This is known as axis of the parabola. This is known as axis of the parabola. Now this is the parabola intersect. This curve intersect the axis at the point A. Intersect axis at the point A, which is known as vertex. This is the parabola. This is the axis. Intersect at the point A. Intersect at the point A. The point of intersection. So the point of intersection, the axis and parabola, is known as vertex of the parabola. Known as vertex of the parabola. A point of intersection of a parabola with its axis is called the vertex of the parabola. What is vertex? Let us now give the definition of vertex. What is vertex? Vertex of the parabola. A point of intersection. A point of intersection. A point of intersection of a parabola. Of a parabola with its axis, a point of intersection of a parabola with its axis is called a vertex. A vertex of the parabola. Or conic, parabola or conic, vertex of a parabola or conic. This is the vertex of the parabola. Again I reply, this is the point of intersection, that is the axis and the parabola. The point of intersection of a parabola with its axis is called the vertex of the parabola. Is called the vertex of the parabola. Is called the vertex of the parabola. Again I reply, this is the point of intersection, axis and parabola with its vertex. The point of intersection of a parabola with its vertex, with its axis, is called a vertex of the parabola. This is the parabola, this is the axis, this is the point of intersection, this is the point of intersection, is called the vertex of the parabola, is called the vertex of the parabola. Okay, draw the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. Again extend this. Consider this is xo x prime. This is consider xo x prime. This is yo y prime. So it will be 0, 0. This is the vertex. This is the origin. This is vertex. This is vertex. This is the distance. Consider this is distance twice a. Zs is equal to, let Zs is equal to twice a. A is the midpoint of Zs. A is the midpoint of Zs. Therefore, Az equal to is equal to A, equal to A. Az equal to S is equal to L. That's why it will be A. It is also A. A plus A, that is twice A. So this is 0 from 0 to S. This is distance A. So the coordinate of focus A, 0. This is the vertex 0, 0. With respect to x-axis and y-axis, this is the coordinate of 0, 0. Coordinates of 0, 0. This is the coordinates of focus. This is the coordinates of vertex. This is the axis. This is the axis. X-axis y equal to 0. On x-axis y equal to 0. 0. This is the equation of axis. This is the equation of the axis. From 0 to left, this is A. According to axis, we consider x is equal to minus A. This is the equation of the directrix. This is the equation of the directrix. This is the equation of the directrix. Now SP, by the definition of parabola, SP equal to PM. SP equal to PM. By the definition of parabola, SP equal to PM. By the definition of parabola, SP equal to PM. What is SP? This is A, 0. This is x, y. Find the distance. X minus A whole square. X minus A whole square equal to pave distance. This is x minus A. X minus A can be written as x minus x is equal to minus A. Therefore, x plus A equal to 0. The equation of the directrix. This is x is equal to minus A. So this can be written as x plus A equal to 0. This is the straight line. Now the perpendicular distance from x, y to directrix, it will be x plus A divided by coefficient of x is 1 square, coefficient y absent, so it will be 0, 0 square. This is SP equal to y minus square root of plus y minus 0 whole square equal to x plus A divided by coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y absent, so it will be 0 square. It will be 0 square, it will be 0 square. So it will be x minus a whole square plus y square equal to, this is 1, it will be x plus a whole square implies y square equal to x plus a whole square x minus a whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, that is 4ax formula plus 7. This is the standard equation of the parabola. This is the standard equation of the parabola. This is the standard equation of the parabola. This is the SP equal to square root of x minus whole square, distance formula. Y minus 0 whole square equal to pap distance. Pap distance, that means this is x plus a straight line. This is the point px comma y. Perpendicular distance from the point x comma y to the straight line x plus a equal to 0. To the straight line x plus a equal to 0. X plus a, coefficient of x is 1 square, coefficient y absent, so it will be y 0 square. Now squaring on both sides, then it will be x minus a whole square plus y square equal to x plus a whole square. Y square equal to, transform from left to right, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square formula, corollary 4ab. Therefore y square equal to 4x. Which is the equation of the parabola? Which is the standard equation of the parabola? Which is equation of parabola, standard equation of the parabola. Now write down everybody. Standard equation of the parabola. Which is standard equation of the parabola, which is known as standard equation of the parabola, which is known as equation of the parabola, that is standard equation of the parabola. Now write down coordinates. Is it clear? Anybody? Any question? Tirtho?
No, sir.
Okay. This is the standard equation of the parabola. This is the focus a comma 0. This is the vertex. This is moving point. This is the equation of the axis. This is the equation of the directrix. Now from the figure, write down everybody. Y square equal to 4ax, opposite figure, x square equal to 4ay, Number 1, coordinate of vertex, coordinates of vertex. Zero, 0. This is 0, 0. Number 2, coordinates of focus a comma 0. Number 2, 0 comma a. Number 3, coordinates of equation of the directrix. Number 3, equation of the directrix x is equal to minus a. Number 3, y equal to minus a. You can use korte paro, you can use b. Number 4, equation of the axis y equal to 0. Number 4, x is equal to 0. Number 5, length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum equal to modulus of 4a. Number 5, this is modulus of 4a. Number 6, equation of the lattice rectum. Equation of the lattice rectum. X is equal to a. X is equal to a. Equation of the lattice rectum. Equation of the lattice rectum. This is the lattice rectum. This is the distance a from 0 to right. This is the distance a that is parallel to axis. This is x is equal to a. This is x is equal to a. This is the equation of the lattice rectum. X is equal to a. This is the equation of the directrix from left to 0 to left side. 0 to left side. Coordinates of the vertex 0, 0. Coordinates of the focus a, 0. For this standard formula, it will be 0, a. Equation of the directrix x is equal to minus a. Equation of the axis, this is axis y equal to 0. Y equal to lattice rectum equal to 4a. Equation of the lattice rectum x is equal to a. This is the formula of the standard equation of the parabola. Again I reply, this is axis y equal to 0. This is the moving point. This is x is equal to a. Equation of the lattice rectum. This is the vertex 0, 0. This is the focus a, 0, because this is the distance a from 0 to right. Distance a, so it will be a, 0. 0 to left, x is equal to minus a according to the axis, according to the coordinate axis. X is equal to minus a. That's why directrix, equation of the directrix will be x is equal to minus a. Equation of the x is y equal to 0. Length of the lattice rectum, this is twice a, this is twice a. It will be 4a. Equation of the lattice rectum, this is x is equal to a. Thanks everybody. Stay home, stay safe.